Yeah.
Hey, what's up? Yeah, yeah. I'm at the house right. Yeah, I'm at the house right now. I just got back. What's up? Oh, bro, that's like 6 hours away, right? Right now? Yeah, I just got off a trip. I said I just got off a triple overtime right now. Yeah, I'm working all day. You know, I got the baby at the. All right, fine. Okay, okay. All right, I'm on my way right now. All right. Yellow. Yeah, I'm at the house right now. What's up? You're going to what? Wow, you got quite a journey ahead of you, buddy. 6 hours, give or take. Yeah, about six. Oh, you need a ride there? Oh, I mean, you know, Uber. I'm pretty sure Uber's going up to 12 hours now. So yeah, you'll be good. Well, you checked maybe a bus. Actually, if you go on Google Maps right now, if you just go on Google Maps, you can click on there's like a little walking man, right? Like a little logo. If you just click on that, it will show you exactly how long it takes if you walk there. So I'm guesstimating if you started right now, you get there at least by next Tuesday. Yeah. Wait. Oh, you expected me to give you a ride? Oh no. I'll be at the house. I'll be at the house. Yeah. No can do. Nope. Enjoy. Okay, bye bye.
You will find out you burning up the same bridge. You ain't even speak the same love language. I heard you cut ties with the one that you lay with. Realize you will lie if you stay with. You will find out you burning up the same bridge. You ain't even speak the same love language, the same love language.